That'll be some sunshine, that'll be. Good morning, lovely peeps. Happy Vlogmas day 3. The eagle-eyed amongst you last night will have noticed that when I said goodbye, Chiana leapt into view, and this is what happened. Bye. She says bye too. Oh, shit. Hey! Oh, crap. I'm gonna try and stop this. So yeah, that Siamese is terrorizing the neighborhood. We think he might be new to the area because we've only really been seeing him for the last couple of months, but he's terrorizing everybody's cats and fairly cheeky. He's very friendly to humans when he meets the humans, but not so fond of the kitties. Chiana, of course, taking it in her stride. Look at the toe beans. Oh dear. If looks could kill, I would have been dead a long time ago, Chi. Nice try. Morning!
Good morning!
So, calendar time. Dad and Mum are both... Mum's making cakes and Dad's got Vaughan here, so we're going to get through it today.
And we've got my wonderful
I'm making
son
cakes.
coming.
I've got chicken in the oven. I'm not making cakes. Mum's making cake. I've got chicken in the oven and a casserole on the go over there. I've got to go and do the neighbour's greenhouse because they're away.
Yeah. We're all very busy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Yes.
What day is it?
3.
3.
And we've got the decorations there.
Apparently what you had last night was something, herb mirrors or something like that. And they were shaped like mirrors, weren't they? I can't remember exactly, they were mirrors, but it's a very Dutch
I think that
name,
was
not German.
stretching the imagination.
No, it's Dutch. And they, well, yeah. Anyway, Zoetgiegels.
Right, this is licorice as I know it, but this one
sticks.
is a stuffed licorice, a rolled
What's it called?
licorice. I don't know. It's called Hexenbessen.
Ooh. Does anybody watch Grimm? The Hexen Beasts.
Grimm?
Grimm, yeah.
No, no.
The fairy tale one.
No.
Have you not seen that? You
No.
might like it. Oh, Mum's got another Dunce. That's toffee, isn't it?
Ooh.
It's a...
Ooh.
Excellent.
With a powdered coating of some sort.
Yeah, I wonder if it's chewy.
dark
Oh.
chocolate.
I think we're going to get this face every day.
That's gorgeous.
What have you got, Mum?
I've got a tartufo dolce, which apparently is dark chocolate,
Which she'll be very happy
praline with
Uh-huh.
ginger and cinnamon.
I can't say gorgeous every time, so this is delicious. Mouthful. Mm.
Who knows what this is?
But it's dark.
She's happy.
Yes.
Okay, let's hope that I get something other than white chocolate today.
Because I've got licorice, which I like. I'm not coveting that.
You're not like like you were last year.
No.
Where's number 3? Number 3. Oh, down the bottom. Right, please be something other than white chocolate, because I will cry. What? Oh, this one. It's the same in English as it is in German. But yeah. Okay.
It's well, if that's anything to go. Does that mean it's white chocolate?
No, because that's one list and that's another list.
Okay.
I'm going to try this one. I didn't try yesterday's.
You've got to have it.
I haven't. Rianne might like it.
I'm on my 3rd bit. This is gorgeous.
Is it gorgeous?
Is
gorgeous.
it savoury or sweet or
Oh no, sweet.
sweet? Okay.
I don't think any of them have been savoury as such.
No, but one of them was herby, wasn't it? So
That was my next
Licorice.
question. Do you want that?
yes, we're
Anyway,
going to inflict this on
hurrah.
someone. Yeah, they've got to go do work. We've got to inflict that on someone. I made Christmas crackers. I think I showed you guys last year, but the very first year that I did it, I didn't plan it at all, but so I dismantled a Christmas cracker. I put a lottery ticket in it, some chocolates, a crap joke that I've written, and then there's a number. So that corresponds to a wrapped present, and when the person opens that present, their hat is in there, and rather than the sort of bit naff paper hats, I got everybody either Dealey Boppers or a Santa hat, and I promise I didn't fix this at all, but Dad ended up with this one. Which barely fitted on his head, but he wore it. We went to pantomime, didn't we, in Jack and the Beanstalk in Llandudno. And yeah, we and so all of us, there was 13 of us in total, wearing our dealy boppers and hats, and Dad wore this to the panto. So yeah, we were that family. But Mum's just asked me if I want to keep it, and I kind of think I do. Okay, so I did run a line of gathering stitches, but as I suspected, this fabric does not want to gather, which yeah, like I say, didn't really surprise me. So I've pinned it in the, well, I wonder clipped it in and ended up with like wonder clips back to, or side to side should I say, all the way around. So I've actually basted it in, and I'm going to sew the sleeve in now and see how that works, and I think it should be pretty good because this is holding it all in place. As you can see, they're quite large basting stitches. It's holding it all in place, and it means I can maneuver this under the presser foot really easily without having to worry about pins or clips or anything shifting. So took a little while, but you know, I'm watching bones, so I'm happy. I have attached sleeves, but more excitingly, Baby Bother and Big Bird and Small Girl Type Creature have arrived. Mum has made a cake. That's the Baby Bother hand. Mum has made a cake.
Cake.
What was that? Yes. So, back up at my place, tidied up, made the bed because there's a Small Girl Type Creature staying with me. We can't actually see you because you're right from the light. So we're going to see the Nutcracker ballet by a Russian ballet company at the Shanklin Theatre tonight. So it's going to be Mum, Ree and I, because we bought 3 tickets thinking it was going to be Dad, Mum and I, and then realised that James and Big Bird and Small Girl Type Creature are arriving. So slight rejig, it's sold out, so no more can come, but it's going to be good. We can see you crouching in the mirror behind there. Rianne's put her boots on. I'm not used to this. Yeah. I remember the first time I met your mum, James rang me. I was still working night. He rang me and said, can I introduce you to my new girlfriend? And I was like, yeah, sure. And he's like, great, we're in the pub downstairs. So it was like, huh? And so I was like, let me get up and get dressed. So I'm used to being quite tall. And your mum turns up and I'm in my socks and I'm like, hi. So yeah. There's Baby Bother.
We're almost the same height now.
No, you're.
I am wearing monster heels.
We're feeling quite short, aren't we?
This is father, a concerned father. I mean, what am I? These are my daughters. What am I going to do?
Yeah, you win.
Yeah. He is 6'4". Dad's been cooking this chicken casserole since yesterday morning. It's been in the Aga in the slow cooking oven for hours. It smells amazing. I'm having jack potato. Oh, there we go. Squeeze it, there we go. We're at the theatre. We are seeing the Russian State Ballet. So I can't film any of them, that's frowned upon, but you can film us. So we're here. Hiya. If you can't tell, we're home from the ballet. This one has decided this is a good idea.
My mouth looks so strange.
You look like what's this chops from Halloween?
I don't know which one that is.
No, I've never seen it, but the guy that's wearing the Shatner mask.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the right one, but
It gets worse.
yeah, no, apparently it gets worse. It gets fuzzier. So yeah, I will report back later. The ballet was amazing. Yeah, really. How they do that on their toes, or why they do that to their toes. But yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And yeah, it's been a good day. Didn't get much of my coat done, but I wasn't expecting to, so you know, there you go. Anyway, I'm going to report back with the mask a bit later because apparently we're going to need to see this. It's getting better. On that note, I think I'm going to say goodnight. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas. Yes. Day 3. It's the third day, isn't it? Yes. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 3.
Skincare is important.
Clearly. And I'll see you all tomorrow.